Hey, what's up everyone? So this video is kind of a bit of a jump in time from where the last video ended. Over the last 7 months or so, I've been very busy with work, and to be honest, every time that I came in here to actually do anything with the bike, I just did 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that, and didn't really spend too much time on it, just as and when I could and wanted to, really, because that's the thing with this, is it's more of a fun project than actually like something that I'm desperate to do or desperate to get done quickly. So it was just a case of just doing a little bit here or there as and when I could to just make progress. And because of that, unfortunately, I didn't really take any video. Well, I took a little bit, but not much. So I'm going to run a little bit of time-lapse video just after this here, just to show a little bit of what I've done. But as you can see, the bike's moved on quite a bit from where it was, like I say, at the end of the last video. Essentially, the rear of the bike's all been stripped, and we're at a point now where we can go on to the next phase of the build, really, and that will be coming up in the next video. That will be I'll be talking about and showing you the steps from the next video, what actually the next step of the build is going to be. So yeah, this is going to be like a short tear down and update video of and progress video of where the bike is. But as you can see, the front ends is all taken apart, front wheel's still on, but all the handlebars and everything's off, and we're now at the point where any kind of fabrication or anything like that is ready to take part. So the next video will go more into detail about what's going to be happening with that, and we'll start to make progress on those types of things. So yeah, this is essentially just a little bit of an update to get everyone up to date with where we are.